AI is transforming how businesses operate, make decisions, and interact with customers. But here is the concern. Who controls how AI is used? How do organizations ensure it is fair, secure, and responsible? That is where AI governance comes in. In this video, we will break down what AI governance is, why it matters, and how organizations implement it. What is AI governance? AI governance refers to the framework of policies, processes, and controls that ensure AI systems are used responsibly, ethically, and effectively. This includes ensuring AI systems are fair and unbiased, transparent and explainable, secure and compliant with regulations, accountable in decision-making. In simple terms, AI governance helps organizations use AI safely while maintaining trust and control. Why is AI governance important? As AI becomes more powerful, the risks also increase. AI systems can unintentionally introduce bias, misuse data, or make decisions that impact people unfairly. Without governance, organizations may face legal and regulatory issues, loss of customer trust, security and data privacy risks. AI governance ensures that organizations can scale AI responsibly while minimizing risks and maintaining compliance. How organizations implement AI governance. Implementing AI governance involves creating clear structures and accountability. Organizations establish policies and ethical guidelines for AI use, data governance and privacy controls, monitoring systems to track AI performance, governance teams or committees to oversee AI initiatives. The goal is to ensure that AI systems remain aligned with business objectives, regulations, and ethical standards. AI governance is no longer optional. It is a critical part of building trustworthy and scalable AI systems. As AI continues to evolve, organizations that prioritize governance will be better positioned to innovate responsibly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.